I started here at the Sheriff's Office in June of 2015. Back in 2010, my last year as a law enforcement leadership student, I did a 600-hour internship here at this office, and I'm sure that gave me a good leg up when it came time to get hired here. I think the bachelor's degree gives you more of the in-the-field experience than the two-year degree, and that's really important when it comes to this job. This job isn't for everybody, and I think the ability to get out and see what's actually going on the road is important for every student. Officer needs to be trustworthy. They need to have leadership skills. They need to be able to talk with people, communicate. Communication is a big thing. You're going to deal with several different kinds of people. Community is important to me. I know these people, and it's important to me that, to keep them safe and be there if they need something. Typical day is we come in and we kind of meet as a group at shift change, and there may be things that come up at shift change that need to be taken care of. We pretty much handle our own cases up to the felony level, and we need to follow up on those leads, follow up on interviews with people, all the way to arrest. We work on pistol permits, we interview people and follow up on those investigations. And we deal with complaint work as it comes in, 911 calls, accidents. I think that the four-year program for me gave me that better understanding of the more technical aspect of policing. You'll learn the most when you actually get on the job, but having that four-year degree behind you, once you get on the job, you can really apply that information that you learn in those higher level classes. And whether they're online or I was on campus, I was able to contact the professors, and if I had any questions, they're always timely in getting back to me. And even with the online classes, we had great group discussions. I would recommend online to everybody. The program worked good for me. The opportunities are there. It's flexible, that's what I liked about it, and I think it's a great program.